Let me be honest with you. Most people aren't broke because they don't earn enough. They're broke because of what they do, or don't do, with the money they already have. I've seen people earning $30,000 a year build real wealth. And I've seen people earning $150,000 a year with absolutely nothing to show for it. The difference? 5 critical money mistakes. And today, we're fixing all 5, starting today. Mistake number 1, spending before saving. You get paid, you pay your bills, you buy what you need and what you want. And then, if anything is left, you save it. Sound familiar? This is called paying yourself last. And it is the number 1 reason most people never build any savings. The fix is simple. The moment you get paid, move a set amount directly into savings. Even if it's just 10%, even if it's just $50. Automate it so you never even see the money. What you don't see, you don't spend. Mistake number 2, living without a budget. I know, nobody wants to talk about budgets. They sound restrictive, they sound boring, they sound like work. But here's the truth, a budget is not a prison. A budget is a plan. A budget equals telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Without a budget, your money leaks. Subscriptions you forgot about. Takeout 3 times a week. Impulse purchases. The fix, use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs. 30% goes to wants. 20% goes to savings and investments. Simple, flexible, and it works. Mistake number 3, and this one is expensive. Carrying high-interest debt. Credit card debt is one of the most destructive financial forces in modern life. The average credit card charges between 20 and 30% interest per year. Think about that. Every year you carry a $5,000 credit card balance, you're paying $1,000 to $1,500 in interest alone. Money that goes directly into someone else's pocket. High-interest debt equals paying to stay poor. The fix, attack your highest interest debt first. List every debt you have. Pay the minimum on everything. Then throw every extra dollar at the highest interest rate debt until it's gone. Then move to the next one. This is called the avalanche method, and it will save you thousands of dollars. Mistake number 4, having no emergency fund. Life happens. Your car breaks down, you lose your job, a medical bill arrives that you didn't see coming. If you have no emergency fund, any one of these events pushes you directly into debt. And then you spend months, sometimes years, climbing back out of a hole that a simple savings buffer could have prevented. The fix, build a 3 to 6 month emergency fund. Start with a goal of $1,000. That alone protects you from most everyday emergencies. Then build it up to cover 3 months of your essential expenses. Keep it in a separate account, not your main account. Separate, so you're not tempted to touch it. And mistake number 5, waiting to start investing. Every single year you wait to invest is a year of compound interest you will never get back. If you invest $200 a month starting at age 25 at an average return of 8% per year, by age 65, you will have over $700,000. If you wait until age 35 to start, same $200 a month, same 8% return, you end up with just over $300,000. 10 years of waiting cost you $400,000. Starting 10 years later equals $400,000 less. The fix, start today, not next month, not when you feel ready, today. Even $50 a month in a low-cost index fund is infinitely better than waiting for the perfect moment that never comes. Let's recap the 5 mistakes, and more importantly, the 5 fixes. Number 1, pay yourself first. Number 2, build a budget that works. Number 3, eliminate high-interest debt. Number 4, build your emergency fund. And number 5, start investing today. None of these require a finance degree. None of them require a high salary. If this video helped you, subscribe to Wise Money Lab. Every week we break down exactly this kind of content. I'll see you in the next one.